कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः। नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेम प्रदायते कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य नामने गौरतिसे नमः। हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबंधु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिका कांत राधा कांत नमोस्तुते। तप्त कांचन गौरांगी राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरिप्रिये। ॐ वृंदावै तुलसी देव्यै प्रिया वै केशवस्य च कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवत्यै नमो नमः। भक्ता विहीन अपराध लक्ष्य क्षिप्तश्च कामादितरङ्गमध्ये कृपामयि त्वां शरणं प्रपन्न वृन्दे नमस्ते चरणारविन्दं। भजामि राधां अरविन्दनेत्रां स्मरामि राधां मधुरस्मितास्यां वदामि राधां करुणभराद्रा ततो ममान्नास्ति गतिर्न कापि। हा देवी काकुभर गदगद अद्दवाच याचिनी पते भुवि दण्डो दुर्घटार्ति अश्र प्रसादमुदश्र जनास्य कृत्वा गन्धर्विके निजगणे गणनां विदेहि। अंगश्यामलभीछटामन्दिकृतेन्द्रीवरं जड्डं जाजु गुडुरोचि संपट्टं वरस्य श्रिया बिन्दारुणनिवासनुदुरसद्धामि दामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशलोज्जलोभुजं ध्यानं स्तुदामोदरम्। तवैवास्मि न जीवामि तया विना एते विज्ञायते राधे तं नयामि चरणान्तिके। वंशे विभूषितकरान्नवनीरदाभात् पीताम्बरादुर्नबिम्बफलदृष्टात् पूर्णेन्दुसुन्दरमुखादरविन्दनेत्रात् कृष्णात् परमतत्त्वं किमपि अहं न जाने। न विजाचे राज्यं न चिकनमाणिक्यं न विहं न जाचे रम्मं सरसजनकं मं वरवधूं मे सदा काली काली प्रमथपतिं कृतचरितो जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। जगन्नाथ मे नयनपथगामी भवतु मे। श्री कृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि श्री गौर भक्त वृंद। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। First of all, I offer my humble respectful obeisances unto lotus feet of my Gurupad Padma, Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtuttara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamana Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtuttara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Silavamana Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously, offer my humble, respectful Dhanavad Pranam, lotus feet of Nityalila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtuttara Satsmad Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Rakha Sridhar Goswami Maharaj, Bhakti Vigyan, Srila Bharati Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnavis and presented all of my respectful guests. So we are very close to observe Kartik Vrat, and actual Kartik Vrat started from Ekadashi, and according to Haribhakti Vilas, you can also perform Kartik Vrat and from Ekadashi, Dadashi, and also Purnima. And in our Gaudiya Vedanta Samiti, and Srila Bhakti Pragyan Kashyap Goswami Maharaj, he disappeared and in the Sarad Punim and Sarad Purnima. And for this regard, we also observe and Kartik Mass starting in Sarad Purnima, that means tomorrow. Tomorrow we celebrate his disappearance day and also Kartik Vrat. So I also first also glorified about the Mahatma of Kartik Mas. And what is the glories of Kartik Mas? Why will we observe Kartik Mas? So in this way, our acharyas also very nicely explain. And first, just to and 1 month, a few days before, we also finish our Purushottam Mas, Adhik Mas. And then now we are going to observe Kartik Mas. So now I just to explain the Gurudev told Krishna, he is the presiding deity of Adhik Mas or Purushottam Mas. And one who observes Purushottam Mas, Krishna will be very pleased. In the same way, one who observe Kartik Mas, Krishna will be pleased. And, and Krishna is the presiding deity of Purushottam Mas, and Srimati Radhika, she is the presiding deity of Kartik Mas. And this Kartik Mas is very nearest and dearest of Srimati Radhika and also Krishna. And if we observe Kartik Mas, Srimati Radhika will be very pleased, and same way Krishna will be very pleased. And, and if you observe the Kartik Vrat, then Srimati Radhika, she will fulfill all your desires. And, and this Kartik Mas also, uh, Prasiddha, Kartik Mas also uh, famous in different names also in our Acharya explain in this mass also is called Niyam Seva Mass and following all the rules and regulation of the scriptures. For this regard, in this Kartik Mass, one name is called Niyam Seva Mass by Niyam Brata. Eh? And also this mass also is called Damodar Mass. And, and the Damodar also two Damodars in our Shastra. One is called Radha Damodar and Jashoda Damodar. In this month, and Mother Jashoda, she bind to Krishna with the rope. For this regard, this month is also this is called also Jashoda Damodar. This Jashoda Damodar and Katha also Sukdev Goswami told to Parikshit Maharaj that is called Dam Bandhan Lila. That means Mother Jashoda she bind to Krishna with the rope. That is called Jashoda Damodar Lila Katha. And another also is called Radha Damodar in this month. And Srimati Radhika she bind to Krishna with the garland. That means once Krishna performed Ras dance with the gopis and Srimati Radhika. Then Krishna suddenly disappeared from the Ras dance. Then gopis they felt pang of separation from him. When again Krishna appeared in the assembly house of gopis, that time Srimati Radhika she bind to Krishna with the garland. For this regard, this month is called also Radha Damodar. And and also in this month also called Urja Brata. Urja Brata. Urja means that is called Sakti, potency. And actual all the source of potency is coming from Srimati Radhika. And so if you not observe Urja Brat, and you cannot get any potency, Sakti, and power will not come. So for this regard, our all Vaishnava also is called this month is called Urja Brata. And and another also Urja means the Shakti potency. Srimut Krishna, he is called the presiding deity of all the Krishna, he is called Shaktiman, and Srimati Radhika is called Shakti. So our Shastra also say without Shakti potency, you cannot perform any kinds of activities. And so Balahina no labha, and as like if you have no potency, Shakti, and you cannot attain your perfection. And so for this, all the Shakti is coming from and Srimati Radhika. So if you want to and attain your perfection, you have to observe and Srimati Radhika, because Srimati Radhika, she the Udhishthati representing deities and of this birth, and if then you will be receive the mercy from Srimati Radhika. Shakti Udhishthati Devata Srimati Radhika, if you observe, then you will receive mercy from Srimati Radhika. Krishna, he is called Sarvashaktiman, Srimati Radhika is called Sarva Shakti. And Srimati Radhika, she the presiding deities of Shakti, and Shakti Udhishtatri Devi Srimati Radhika. Though our Shastra also explain and the Shakti Shaktiman or Dayu Abheda, there are no difference between Shakti and Shaktiman. And so Shakti, this potency, always remains with Krishna. And for this regard, our Shastra also this Shakti is sometimes called manifested, sometimes called unmanifest. That is called Murta and Amurta. Krishna is called Lila Purushottam when he wants to perform Lila, and just his desire is coming to perform Lila, then Yugma she arranges, and then and Shakti, that is Mati Radhika, she also manifested from Shaktiman Krishna. And so in this way, and Krishna, he performs sweet Leela and with Srimati Radhika. In Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami also explain Leela Ras Asadite Kore Radha Krishna Ekoi Sarup Leela Ras Asadite Dhare Duiro. Radha Krishna is one. Man, but when Krishna's desire coming to perform Leela, then Jogmasi arranges and manifested two forms. It is called Shaktiman and Shakti, and that means Krishna and Srimati Radhika. So here also explain Radha Krishna ekoi sarup lila ras asadite dhare dui ru. Prem ras nirjas karite asadan rag marge bhakti log karite pracharan rasik shekhar Krishna parama korun ei dui hoite lilar udgam. In Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami and Adi Lila, fourth chapter, very nicely explain Krishna a prem ras nirjas karite asadan. Krishna is thinking, I have to release the essence of all prema. And then Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's Bhav and Kanti and appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurahari, and he released all the Premoros Nirjas. And Premoros Nirjas means the and last limit of divine love of Srimati Radhika, that is called Madanakha Mahabhav. And Gurudev explains Sneha Prem, Sneha Man, Pranarag, Unurag, Bhav, Mahabhav, Ruda, Udhuda, Mohan, and Madanakha Mahabhav. Srimati Radhika, she is called the embodiment of Madanakha Mahabhav. So no one can attain the highest prem, but Krishna, he took Srimati Radhika's Bhav and Kanti. Radhikar Bhav Kanti, Loya Krishna, Avatirna Hila, Gaura Rupat Dhari. That means Krishna, he stole Srimati Radhika's Bhav and Kanti and appeared in the form of Sachinandan Gaurari in Navadip Dham. And he released all these rasas, and the sprinkle of the rasas just he distributed to the devotees. And Braje Nirmal Ras Suni Bhaktagan Rag Margi Rag Marge Bhaje Jano Chari Dharma Karma. Chaitanya Charitamrita continue also explain how Brijavasis and Prasadi Gopis, how they are rag, deep attachment towards Krishna. And so these types of prema, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he preached and all over the world, that is called Brajarago Bhakti. And so Krishnadas Kaviraj also mentioned this verse and Anugrahaya Bhaktanang Manusang Dehamasitang Bhajate Tadisakira Jasutva Tatparu Bhavit. So Krishna is very merciful. He manifested all his lila from Golok Vrindavan and with his and Parikar associates in this material world, and one who listen this katha and absorb this Brijavasi lila katha, then who deliver from this material world and attain and to highest prem. And So now coming in this way, Sarvasakti Sarvini Srimati Radhika, she can fulfill all the desires of desires of Krishna, but without many consort, Krishna will not happy. For this regard, Srimati Radhika, she manifested many forms, and she and she also used to relish and the Braja Prem to all the devotees. Now coming in this way, also uh, Braj all kinds of Leela. Srimati Radhika, she helps to Krishna. And but especially in Braj, Madhur Ras or Shingar Ras, Ujjal Ras, Srimati Radhika, she performed. And this Ujjal Ras also again divided into one is called Sakya, another is called Parakya. But in Braj, this Parakya Rash, Parmur mood in Braj, manifest in Braj, not in other place. Braj bina nahi, annatra prachar, ananta prakash. And this Parakya Rash, Parmur mood only manifested in Golok, Brindavan, not in other place. Uh, Vaikuntha, Ajudha, Dwaraka, Mathura, you can see the Sakya mood as their secondary relation between wife and husband. But in Braj, uh, there is called only parakya bhav. So here also explained in this way, Brajabodhu Ganer ei bhav nirabodhi and Brajabodhu, the themselves of Braj, and in their heart always they are absorbed in parakya mood. And, and this among of these Brajabodhus and the themselves of the Braj and Srimati Radhika, she is the topmost. And this lila and absolutely manifested in Ras dance. And and this Ras dance, not Ras dance only manifested in Golok Vrindavan, not in other place. So our Goswamis also explain this way and Ras Lila and also two things, one came meeting and separation, that is called Milan and Viraha. And so now coming in this way, and in this month of Kartik, Krishna performs so many leelas. And but topmost leela that is called Rasa Leela. And Jai Jo Jalo Rasa Sarva Rasa Sar Parakiya Bhavi Jatha Brajite Prachar. In this month, and Krishna performs sweet leela in Braj, especially in this month of Kartik. And Mother Jasoda, she bind to Krishna. That is called Damandhan Leela. In this month of Kartik, and Nal Kuben and Manigruv, they also deliver and from this material world and attain to Golok, Vrindavan, and that is called in their transcendental form. That is called Madhukantha and Snigdha Kantha. And in this month of Kartik, Krishna also perform Govatsa Charan Lila and Gocharan Lila also. This is very important. And, and also in this month, Vatsaharan Lila and Kalya Daman Lila and so many kinds of Lila and especially and in this month and Krishna performed that Lila also called the Gopastami. And this is very important. Gurudev, when he used to go in the place of um, Nandagaon and Ter Kadamba and and also and Nandagaon, then Gurudev also explained how there the Gopastami still also going. Gopa Ashtami Gopastami. And in this month, Krishna also lifted Giriraj, Govardhan. This is very important. And in this month, in this month of Kartik, and Brajavasis, they also offer ghee lamps and all their houses completely delightfulness, the light of the ghee lamps. Ghee lamps. In this month also Bahula Ashtami eh, and the Prakatla of Smati of the Radha Kunda and also according to Gaudiya Parampara in this month of Kartik the devotees they also taking bath in Radha Kunda, that is called Radha Kunda Snan. And in this month, Adhishthatri Devata Srimati Radhika, for this regard, in this month also Srimati Radhika, she is called also Kartikeshwari, and or Raseshwari, Rasa Ishwari, Rasheshwari, and very sweet Leela in this month, and Raseshwari, and in this in this month, in our many Guru Vargas appearance and disappearance, and so we can remember all our most of our Guru Vargas, they are sweet and pastimes. Just I tell you to end this month also. In this month of Kartik, we also observe Bhishma Panchakam, and in this month, Guru Das Babaji Maharaj Tirobhav Tithi, that is called Disappearance Day of Guru Das Babaji Maharaj, and in this month, the appearance day of Bhakti Doit Madhav Goswami Maharaj, and in this month also disappearance day of Bhakti Pramod Puri Goswami Maharaj, and especially in this month, and our Gurudev Srila Nityalila Prasang Vishnupad Ashtottara Samad Bhakti Vedanta Srila Vaman Goswami Maharaj, and Nityalila Vishnupad Ashtottara Bhakti Vedanta Trivikram Goswami Maharaj, and their disappearance day. And this month also Nityananda Prabhu, Nityananda, Srinivas Acharya, Gadadhar Thakur, also Dhananjay Pandit, their disappearance day. And in this month, and Srila Bhakti Rakha Siddhar Goswami Maharaj is also appearance day. And especially in this month, also Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj is disappearance day. And especially also Narsingh Maharaj Tirobhav Tithi and Natam Das Thakur Tirobhav Tithi, and Tirobhav means disappearance day. And also Bhakti Sirup Siddhanti Goswami Maharaj Avirbhav Tithi, and in this month. So very important. And so there are many appearance and disappearance of our Guru Varga, because Bhakta Charit Katha we can also listen in this month. Eh, Bhagwan hoite bhaktir and Katha boro. And our Shastra also explain our Bhakta Katha, the character of the devotee of Lord, and you have to listen, and more than Krishna Katha, because those are the devotee of Krishna, that means Vaishnavas, and they also perform bhajan and sadhan as like human being, as like a sadhaka. Such as given example, Rup Sanatan. They are not the sadhak, they are siddha and eternal associate of Krishna, Krishna Nitya Parikar. But they also perform Lila as like a sadhak, day and night do perform bhajan and sadhan and cried for Krishna. He Radhe Braja Lalite He Nanda Suno Kuta Sri Govardhana Kalpapad Patale Kalindi Vanne Kuta Goshamti Viti Sarvatu Brajapuri Kedir Maha Vihallo Bande Rupa Sanatano Raghu Jugo Srijiva Gopaloko. Yeah. So in this month, many kinds of our lila have been performed, and so just I also briefly explain. And in this month, how to observe, that means Kartik month or Urja Brata, how would you to observe Urja Brata? And early in the morning, you have to wake up Brahma Murta and taking bath, and then put tilak, anik, and chanting Gayatri mantra, and then after chanting Gayatri mantra, you have to do some stab stuti, and especially Gurudev and mention in this month you have to recite it, and Namami, that is called Nandanandan Ashtakam, and also and Radhika, Radha Kripa Kataksha, Manindra Binda Bandite Tilakaso Kaharini Prasanna Bhaktra Pankaji Nikunja Vilasini Brajendra Bhanu Nandini Bhajana Sunu Sangate Kada Kari Satyamang Kripa Kataksha Bhajanam. Then also, if you recite the Radha Kripa Kataksha, then and Krishna will be pleased. And Radha Srimati Radhika also she will be pleased. And also you also recited Namami Nandanandana, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Sucharu Bhaktra Pankajam, Sukanaratna Kundalam, Chandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam, Namami Nandanandanam. And especially in this month, every day you have to recite Damodar Ashtakam. Namami Saram Sachidananda Rupam Lasad Kundalang Gokule Bhrajamanam Jasodabhyolu Khalabdhabamanam Paramrishtamotam Tata Drutta Gopa Rudantang Murnetra Jugmamrijantam Karambhuja Jugmeno Satankanetram Muhurshasakampa Srirekhankakantha Sthitagaiva darang bhaktivadham Namami saram Sachidanandarupam Lasad kundalang Gokule Bhrajamanam. Every day you have to recite the Damodar Ashtakam. Just I also forget one thing. In this month, also you have the Govardhan Puja Annakut Maha Mahotsav. eh? And also have to give article Deepdan offering ghee lamps and Kartimas Jabata Akasi Deep. And in our Haribhakti Vilas explain and Krishna Krishna Daso Varju Ayang Govardhanang Budharam Sukla Pradipade Prato Kartigo Archang Vaishnavi Prato Govardhanang Puja Ratru Jagaranang Chari. And in this month, Govardhan Puja and also Archan to go Brahmana Vaishnav and also offering ghee lamps. And then you will be attain your highest perfection goal. And so this is very important in the end also glorify the Giriraj Govardhan as like Raghunath Das Goswami. He glorified Giriraj Govardhan. Nijar Nikada Nivasanam Govardhanatam. So Giriraj Govardhan Ashtakam and also Radha Srimati Radhika Ashtakam and Kumkumapta Kanchanabja Garbhahara Gaurabe Pitananchi Tabja Gandha Kirtinindi Saurabe. And this slok also have to recite because this month and as far as much as mostly you also observe with Srimati Radhika. And so, and especially in this month, just I also forget remembering Bhatri Ditya, and you know, and that is called Jam Ditya or Bhatri Ditya. And in this month, and if your brother and sister take bath in the Jamuna, then you will never go to the Jamaloka. Eh? Understand? Jam Maharaj, he told in this month, and that is called Bhatri Ditya. If you take bath in the Jabuna, and then you will not go to and Jamaloka, the place of Jam Maharaj. So this month you can take bath in Jabuna with your brother and sister. So here the Bhatri Ditya, Jam Ditya, so many leelas actual these things. And we also before few days and we also observe that is called Purushottam Brat. But now is coming and the Kartik Brat. And so Kartik Brat is so sweet and also you can observe about Radha and Krishna. And so in this month you have to observe this way less sleep and have to become renounced and vairagya and do bhajan and sadhan in this month. You should not take the mustard seed oil, sarsatil barjit, and not associate with the ladies and understand and do bhajan and sadhan and completely absorbed and with Radha and Krishna. 1 month you have to celebrated. That is your brahmacharya. Eh? So here also explain and in this month and how is great and Mahan. And so and also chant holy names in this month. You have to try to chant and 64 rounds holy names and understand. And also Brajamandala Parikrama and so Gurudev also did this Brajamandal Parikrama and this month also Brajamandal Parikrama. Now also that is called the what is virus? Corona virus is going on, but still we are also and very briefly or shortly we also do Brajamandal Parikrama. Not so many devotees are going with us because government control and government only now allow to assemble only 200 person in one place. And so for this regard, and maybe we will arrange and the Brajmandal Parikrama very briefly. Not so many devotees will come. I think this time not so many Bengali devotees coming in our Brajmandal Parikrama. So only we are few brahmachari and sannyasis and also some mm, Brajavasis and they will be also to assemble in our Brajamandal Parikrama and going some places, not all places. And as soon as we should, what is called, shortly we could take darshan and all our Harikatha will be in our temple and because government not allow, police is very strict and for this regard, just we will go to the holy places or the Krishna's Lila Sthal, eh, because Brihad Bhagavatam Sanatan Goswami Path very nicely explained. Nardishi, he appeared in front of Krishna and he asked two benediction. The, if anybody will go in Brajamandal in the and just touch the dust of Vrindavan, and that means Brajadhuli, taking the Brajadhuli, then automatically and Braja Prem will manifest in her heart. And second, one who will go Brajadham and listen the Krishna's sweet pastimes. In this month, you have to listen Krishna's Lila Katha. Then you will attend highest prem, Braj Gopi Bhav, automatically manifest in your heart. And Krishna also gave these two benediction to Krishna, Narad Rishi. Eh, so Gurudev told, anyhow, you have to go in the pastime places of Krishna and touch their dust and little bit talk, that means glorify about the pastimes of Krishna. And, and then you will attain your highest perfection. If you not go physically, but you have to go to Brajbhumi in your mind. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, and in this way, and Krishnadas, Rupa Goswami Pad, he also um, do compiled one slokas, Tannam or Bhajaritari, Sukritan Smritu, Kramena Rasana Monosiniju, Tishtan Braje, Tadanu Ragi, Jananu Gami, Kalagnayet, Akilam, Ita Upadesa Saram. Rupa Goswami Pad in this verse very clearly explain the essence of all my instruction. Tannam or Bhajaritari, Sukritan Smritu. You have to chant Lord's sweet names and Madhur Nam. Shri Krishna Gopalo Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallavi Jivana Radhikesa Shri Krishna Gopalo Hare Mukunda Govinda He Nanda Kishora Krishna Ha Sri Jasoda Tanaya Prasida Shri Vallavi Jivana Radhikesa. And so all you try to chant Lord's sweet names. And Bhaktivinoda Thakur also sang this name also. And Radhe Govinda Jaya Radhe Govinda Jai Jai Sama Sundar Madana Mohan Vrindavan Chandra जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र, राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र, जय जय रासेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र, जय जय रासेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र। जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय ललिता विशाखा आदि जत सखी बिंद, जय जय ललिता विशाखा आदि जत सखी बिंद। जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी अनंग, जय जय श्री रूप मंजरी रति मंजरी अनंग। जय जय पौर्णमासी जोग माया जत बीरा वृंद, जय जय पौर्णमासी जोग माया जत बीरा वृंद। जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय पौर्णमासी जोग माया जत बीरा वृंद, जय जय पौर्णमासी जोग माया जत बीरा वृंद। जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र, जय जय श्याम सुंदर मदन मोहन वृंदावन चंद्र। जय जय रासेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र, जय जय रासेश्वरी विनोदिनी भानुकुल चंद्र। তোমরা সবে মিলি কর কৃপা আমি অতি মন্দ, তোমরা সবে মিলি কর কৃপা আমি অতি মন্দ। তোমরা কৃপা করি দেহ যুগল চরণার বৃন্দ, তোমরা কৃপা করি দেহ যুগল চরণার বৃন্দ। जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। जय जय राधे गोविंद, जय राधे गोविंद। बोलो राधे राधे राधे, जय 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 श्री राधे, राधे राधे राधे, जय 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 श्री राधे। वृंदावन विलसिनी राधे राधे, वृंदावन विलसिनी राधे राधे। তোমার কাঙ্গাল তোমায় ডাকে রাধে রাধে, তোমার কাঙ্গাল তোমায় ডাকে রাধে রাধে। জয় রাধে গোবিন্দ, জয় রাধে গোবিন্দ। In this way, you have to chant Lord sweet names. If you not stay physically in Vrindavan, but always stay in Vrindavan with your mind, that means remembering sweet Lila Katha, sweet Kirtan, and associate with high class exalted Vaishnava. Eh? So in this way, you observe Kartik Vrat. No mundane talk, no criticize any Vaishnav, nothing. Eh? Just to follow the three monkeys activities. Do you know three monkeys activities? And one monkey just close his mouth with the hands. Another monkey, and he also close his ears with his fingers. These things. And one other monkey is also close and his eyes and with the hands. That means is what? You should not talk mundane talk. Don't see mundane things and don't um, and here mundane things also. And so always remember the three activities of monkeys. And Bhakti Prabhupada, he gave this instruction, especially in these months, and always absorb Krishna Nam and Krishna Katha. And especially always glorified about Srimati Radhika. And Radha Rani ki jai, कार्तिक व्रत की जय, उर्जेश्वरी श्रीमती राधा रानी की जय. And Srimati Radhika, she is called Urjeshwari. And Urja Ishwari, she is the supreme control of the Urja Shakti. That means all source of Shakti, Urja, manifested from her heart. And Urjesh, and for this regard, she absolutely control to Krishna. And that means that is her highest pain, Madanakha Mahabhav. And so always remember to Srimati Radhika. And understand? And Padabjo Stavina Paradasamevo Nannat Kadapi Same Kila Devi Jachi Sakhaito Namastu Namastu Nittang Dasayate Mama Rasastu Sattam Sirupa Manjari Kararchita Pad Padma Kushandana Bhujar Pidamastakaya Ha Mazud Kanaka Gauri Padar Vindam Sanvayani Sanakai Stavaki Minkarishi Balu Radha Rani Ki Jai 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 Sri Radhi. and tomorrow we also glorify about our Param Guru Maharaj, Bhakti Pragyan Keshav Goswami Maharaj, his life history and contribution. Also, Damodar Lila Katha. This month, whole month, we'll discuss about Damodar Katha. Damodar Lila Katha. This is very important. बोलो राधा रानी की जय 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 श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे बोलो हरे कृष्णा 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 हरे 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 राम राम निताई गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि बोल. And in this month, I am very sad. Not so many Western devotees are coming. Only few devotees are here and there. So I am very upset. But what to do? According to Krishna's desire, Krishna desire is the best desires. And upon इच्छा जीव कोटिवंश करे कृष्ण इच्छा बिना फल धरी बारी नारी. And upon इच्छा जीव कोटिवंश करे. And according to desires, jivas they are thinking many kinds of things. But without Krishna desires, and and not possible successful. So anyhow, this year not so many Western devotees, so I cannot speak Hari Katha. Every year I spoke Hari Katha in English Hari Katha, um, and especially evening time, um, 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. every year I also giving Hari Katha and different places, and especially Rup Sanatan or Gopinath Bhavan or sometimes Giriraj Govardhan and different kathas. But this year, no Western devotees and even not Bengaluru division also coming. Uh, Only we are few devotees. And so what we'll do? Anyhow, we also uh, perform this Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari. But all you be observed, eh? Srimati Radhika and Ujjeshwari Srimati Radhika. Radhika Lila Katha, and you have to remember. Bolo Radha Rani ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radhe. Bolo Jai Jai Gaur Premanandi Hari Hari Bolo. Okay. Uh, so next you again. My heartily blessing all to you. Maybe Radharani bless you and to attain your highest perfection goal. Bolo Radharani ki jai. Jai Jai Sri Radhesh. Okay, thank